Hello, once again. This is the Doctor of Digital at the Doctor of Digital podcast. The purpose of the show is to transform your business and life with education and inspiration. I introduce busy business leaders to trends in business, technology, and marketing to highlight people you should know. Can the Olympics truly unite us amidst the global challenges we face today? Or is the notion of harmony through sports an idealistic dream? My upcoming guest is Marjorie Hope, a renowned figure in the world of diplomacy and a firm believer in the power of respectful dialogue and cooperation. With a wealth of experience engaging with leaders and diplomats around the globe, including a sheik in Dubai, a Japanese prime minister, and numerous other encounters, Marjorie has witnessed firsthand the transformative potential of diplomacy in bridging divides and fostering understanding. As the founder and executive director of AmericaConnected, a nonpartisan and nonprofit organization, Marjorie is dedicated to promoting connection and harmony across diverse communities. Her books, CONNECTIPLOMACY and KARI'S Gold, further explore the principles of diplomacy and its ability to inspire others to embrace diversity, navigate complex situations with civility, and work towards a more harmonious world. With a vision that resonates deeply with the spirit of the Olympics and the aspirations of humanity, Marjorie's insights promise to shed light on the role of diplomacy and international sporting events in uniting us amidst global challenges. During this upcoming episode, we'll do a deep dive into the changes and hot topics of a successful diplomat for dialogue and cooperation. I will leverage the expertise of my upcoming guest and how to navigate the unique dynamics of the field. By the end of this episode, you'll be better equipped to know what to do, and I encourage you to contact my upcoming guest, Marjorie Hope, founder and executive director, AmericaConnected. And if you like the program, which of course I hope you do, make sure you are supporting the sponsors of this program, both of Burning America and On Track Ian Hunter. Both of those books are available on Amazon. And of course, if you like the podcast, make sure you're reaching out if you want any sort of help with an assistance of getting your message out. Share, positively review, contact everybody you know, and tell them about what the good things you're hearing on the Doctor of Digital podcast. Until next time, Deus Vult.